everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to change Wi-Fi on Smart Life app. Currently, we don't have a device on hand, but we can explain how it generally works. Changing Wi-Fi depends on which network your device is currently connected to. Ideally, you'd want to switch Wi-Fi without deleting the device so that none of your settings or data are lost. One option is to delete the device from the app and then reconnect it to the new Wi-Fi network. Once it's connected, you can add the device again. If you'd prefer not to delete it, you can simply disconnect the device. Go to one of your devices in the app and tap the disconnect button. Then, switch your phone to the new Wi-Fi network and reconnect the device the same way you originally did. Most of your settings and usage data, including device names and other details, will usually remain saved. At this time, these are the only ways to change Wi-Fi in the Smart Life app since there's no option to change it directly. So, you'll need to either delete the device or disconnect and reconnect it to the new network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.